Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys battery saver mode in our oppo phone. Friends, how to turn off. So friends, you want to turn off guys your battery saver mode in your oppo phone. So guys, how can you turn off it? In this video guys I am going to show you, friends. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're in my channel, so friend, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video, friends. So friend, first of all open your phone setting to off guys your battery saver mode. Then guys scroll it and guys you can see guys your phone battery setting. Guys tap here and guys click on your power saving mode. Then guys you can see this icon. Guys tap here. After off guys you can see this icon default option will remove from here, because guys your battery saver mode has off. So guys, like that guys, you can off guys your battery saver mode in your oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. And when you have any doubt related to your phone settings, so you can ask me in comment section. Bye friends.